really surprised people don't peek from those windows more often. Red card incoming. I'm fucking hoping, man. I'd like to get out with some money. Might like a devote a day of streaming, just looking for key cards, just looking for money. See how much money I can get running this stuff. What is it, on the barrel? No, it's not. You lied. Just looking for my red rebel in this little green box. Don't mind me. I mean, you heard that Mosin man, though. He's probably up to something in the... Gonna waddle around. This dude might take Skybridge. Where's that wood? I don't know this map well enough to know where that wood is. I want to say it's 3rd floor. Or it could just be in a side room, you know? Whatever. I'm gonna try and race him to admin building. I do have to hit the basement first, though. Are you using the stock AK-74U by choice? Why can I see so well through those windows there? Damn. Mosaman already hit here, considering that dead scav. He must have had the best spawn. He went to admin and then went over to that wing afterwards. He might still be in here. Oh, these are 2 different teams. That one dude's medding. There's 3 guys in one team, though. This dude coughing over here that I threw the nade at is the one rogue dude out. Raid backpack dude's running away. That dude just lagged his ass off. That's the only reason he's alive, that second dude. Oh shit, we're almost out of ammo. Still one guy inside though. You can hear him on wood right now. I just have to load mags though. I don't think the nade got him. I was looking for the air burst on the nade. Didn't quite get it though. Oh, there's two of them left still in there. I think the raid backpack guy's still in there. It's the dong. Oh, is he on the roof now? Uh-oh. It's an AKM with like the built-in like wooden grip. People call it the dong. That's what David's been talking about the entire time recently. Dude, I just want 2 mags. I think with 2 mags I can kill these 2 guys. It'll be tough, but it's possible. I need an emergency weapon though. Oh, they're against each other. This nades to make him he doesn't hear me. Simply outplayed sound-wise. This should be my raid backpack guy. If it's not, I'm going to be disappointed. Case in point. And they're not my favorite, you know? Where did this guy hide that guy's stuff? Didn't I hear him fighting someone too? Like just before I popped down and killed him? I guess it could have been this guy, but he was like looted over. I got the dog tag. Might have been that guy. I mean, I got the kill over here, right? On second floor? Yeah, because I pushed from above him. Ah. Here we go. Oh, this is Customs Manager. I know this guy. I don't know him, but like I'm pretty sure I've seen him before. Customs something. Oh. I like. Oh, you know what? Yeah, you're so right. I'm actually gonna drop the P90 because I have like no ammo left with it. Oh my god.
What about command? They just left us.
My fucking god, bro. I'm just like, am I getting shot? I don't know what's happening. He's level 41. Oof. Yeah, that first time I sprayed him, I thought he should have died. I thought so, because I hit him a good amount, but, you know, SS-190 isn't amazing, especially not on level 4 armor.